Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for March 22nd. Just ahead of its grand opening, team members are invited to tour Phase 1 of the Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute's downtown complex on Friday, March 24th. The opening of our new medical pavilion marks the completion of the project's first two phases. Tours will be available every 15 minutes starting at 8 a.m. Team members who attend will receive an exciting giveaway item, have a chance to receive a sports jersey from one of our sports partners, as well as enjoy complimentary snacks and beverages. And now an important message from Derek Lowe, Assistant Vice President of Resiliency and Chief Information Security Officer.
This month, Orlando Health has experienced several attempts of cyber criminals using email to gain unauthorized access to our systems. Their target was executive level leaders. This type of cybercrime, called spear phishing and whale phishing, aims to obtain Orlando Health's information. Spear phishing is a fraudulent use of communication platforms like email, social media, and instant messaging to lure specific targeted users into releasing personal information or performing actions that cause network compromise, data loss, or financial loss. Whale phishing occurs when the targeted group is executives or high-level leaders. A recent incident that represented both spear phishing and whale phishing happened when our CFO received a bogus email that was a ploy to gain access to our expense reporting system, SAP Concur. Luckily, we had protections in place that would have prevented a bad actor from succeeding. In this case, it was the two-step identity verification requirements and our Defender pop-up alert system that warned when a website is malicious. For specifics, check Swift. Please remember, if you receive a suspicious email, report it as phishing and delete it immediately. If you accidentally click on a link, open a suspicious attachment, or receive a suspicious phone call or inquiry, contact our service desk to launch an investigation. Thank you for your diligence.
And after a successful training program launched earlier this year, applications will be accepted beginning on Thursday, March 23rd, for team members interested in applying for a job opportunity to train to become a surgical tech. We talked to two team members currently in training.
So Orlando Health creating a program was amazing because usually you'd have to go to a college program, which should be anywhere from 12 to 2 years to 24 months. But them being able to do that with the 6 months, I didn't realize that I would learn as much as I did. And we're only on month 3 now. From starting in January till now, we know probably about 100 surgical instruments, but it's amazing because I didn't think I'd be as comfortable going to the OR or coming to class every day knowing what I know now.
I have learned how you're just not counting instruments. You're actually making a huge difference for the whole atmosphere of how the procedure will go. It's like giving you a comfort that, you can always grow within a company no matter how long you have been with the company. You can always excel and do something within that's going to be more challenging for you.
And here's Tiffany Pratt, Assistant Vice President of Team Member Experience, Engagement, and Retention, to talk about team member well-being. Take it away, Tiffany.
Thanks, Brittany. So as you all know, a part of our new Team Member Wellbeing Incentive Program this fiscal year, we're asking you to invest in you for your financial, physical, and mental well-being. So when you think about your financial well-being, we have an amazing program with auto insurance discounts. So just this fiscal year, over 100 team members have invested in themselves by taking advantage of those auto insurance discounts. One of our team members has actually saved over $4,000. That is huge. It's actually a $2 per hour increase. It's a raise in your own salary. So let's hear more from this team member. Kim, tell us more.
Thanks, Tiffany. I wanted to tell you about how I got this great benefit from our HR department. So when my auto insurance renewal came, I looked at it and it was not just a little bit more expensive, it was a lot more expensive. And then I remembered that I gotten a flyer from the HR team talking about a company that they had partnered with to get team members the best rates possible on car insurance. When I called them up, I was able to get the same coverage, the same deductible. Everything was the same except for my payment. I'm now paying $5 less for an entire year of coverage than what I had been paying for only 6 months. So it's benefits like this that make Orlando Health my best place to work.
Thanks so much for sharing, Kim. And participating in health screenings are also part of the Team Member Wellbeing Incentive. A couple of upcoming screening opportunities are available exclusively to team members and their families. The Ambulatory Care Center on the downtown Orlando campus is offering Saturday mammogram screening appointments on March 25th and April 1st from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And in recognition of Oral Head and Neck Cancer Awareness Week, the Orlando Health Cancer Institute is offering free head and neck screenings on Friday, April 14th at 2 locations. Check Swift to see all the details. Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.